for a midweight sport bike that strikes the perfect balance between performance, style, and daily usability. The 2025 Honda CBR650R might just be your dream machine. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about Honda's latest update to its wildly popular inline-4 rocket. Stick around to the end. You won't want to miss the game-changing new tech it brings to the street. A design that turns heads. The 2025 CBR650R gets a sharp aesthetic overhaul inspired by its Fireblade big brother. With sleeker LED lighting, aerodynamic winglets, and bold new graphics, the bike looks fast even when parked. Honda has managed to blend aggressive styling with everyday rideability, making it equally at home on the track or your morning commute. Performance meets practicality. Powering the CBR650R is the same refined 649 cubic centimetre inline-4 engine, delivering around 94 horsepower with a thrilling, high-revving character. Paired with a smooth 6-speed gearbox and Honda's assist-shock slipper clutch, the bike offers exhilarating acceleration while remaining friendly for newer riders. All-new e-clutch technology. Here's where things get interesting. The 2025 model debuts Honda's innovative e-clutch system. This tech allows for clutchless starts, stops, and shifts, blending manual control with convenience. Whether you're carving canyons or crawling through traffic, the e-clutch transforms the riding experience. Smart upgrades for the modern rider. A new TFT display with smartphone connectivity, updated suspension tuning, and dual radial-mounted front brakes round out the package. These upgrades make the CBR650R more connected, more controlled, and more confident than ever. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda CBR650R isn't just a refresh. It's a refined evolution of a rider's favourite. If you want the perfect mix of power, tech, and everyday comfort, this could be your next ride. Don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more in-depth bike breakdowns and the latest in two-wheeled tech.